How to delete Google search history on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Google app. Here we go. Now over here you can see this search box. Just tap on it. With that, all of your search history will appear. Now how to delete it? For that, you can just swipe to the left. You'll get this delete icon, tap on it, and with that it will be deleted. You can apply the same process and delete other search history as well. But in the case you want to delete all of your search history at once, what you have to do is tap on this option of manage history. With that you will land to this kind of page. Now over here you can find this drop down of delete, tap on it. You will get options of delete today, delete custom range, delete all time and auto delete. You can select the option of delete all time, image search as well as search. You can check in for this option, select all and then tap on next. Confirm that you would like to delete the following activity. Tap on delete. And with that all of your Google search history will be deleted. So this is how you can delete Google search history on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.